Any times when you feel unproductive, or just passing your time, which sometimes creates guilt. Main reason of time pass is we actually don't like the work we do. So we try to find something outside that makes you feel happy and enthusiastic. But by doing so, sometimes it leads to bad habits. Definitely it gives you temporary happiness, but later it depletes you, and wastes time. So here are 3 activities that not only makes you feel happy, but also productive. Number 1. Take out a page and pen, and write down the things you are thankful for. Just say thank you for being alive. Cause the law of universe says, when you are thankful for something, the universe will give you more reasons to be thankful again. Number 2. Write down positive affirmations. Write down what you want to be, don't worry about how you can. Just write. Trust me, even if you think it's boring, it is actually damn interesting, when you start doing. Number 3. Start blessing people. Go get out or just sit down and bless people around. Just wish a happy day to someone. Cause what you gonna bless someone, you will feel the same within you.